Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. This video that I'm recording right now, it wasn't intended for YouTube. It was intended for our community. This is a Share Your Story series, but what I'm sharing today was a conversation we had in our community. And then I talked to the member, they said it's okay to share it on YouTube. That's why I'm doing that here. So what is going on? The reason I chose to share it is for some of you who hear me say school community, you don't know what it's all about. But when you hear the members talk about their community, you say, yeah, I could do that kind of thing, right? So you could have a community if you have like some kind of passion. If you're passionate about cooking, you're passionate about looking good. I don't know, I'm not. If you are passionate about whatever, that thing that you do and forget what time it is, that's a passion. Now, if you can find 2 other people or 3 other people who care about the same, then you create a community. And there's a way to make money with it through subscription, through the many ways we make money inside. And then the other one is if you have a skill, you could teach people a language, whatever you could teach, if you are like, especially coach, this is perfect for you. The third one is if you have like a challenge, something challenging you, you are there, you can't sleep. I wish I could talk to someone. Okay, that's a challenge. Maybe you just went through a divorce. Maybe you have a health issue. You come and start a community about it, then you connect with other people in the whole world who care about that same thing. That's what school is all about. Now, this platform was started by a young man called Sam Ovens. He had a passion for creating these communities so people connect. And then also making money doing it. Then later he was joined by Alex Hormozi, who came to promote it and created the Skool Games. It's fun inside there. So if all that sounds interesting, you could come join us. But this was intended just to show you that, to share what we discussed. Our members were talking about their communities, and I wanted to show you that actually you could do the same. No, I didn't introduce myself. I'm Sherifa Nakalema, if you're seeing for the first time. And I'm passionate about these topics because they lead to financial independence. They lead to us making money, doing what we choose to do, and working from home the way I do. And can you imagine if it was a passion, something you care about, and you make money doing that, and doing it around people like us who are going to support you? It's great. So if you have a community already, you could just apply to join. I put a $1 on it as a test, just a test that your country is allowed inside. Because some countries are not allowed if their banks are not allowed. So this one, if you put in $1 and I put $1 on it and they reject it, it means your country is not allowed. Check the description. But for those of you, especially if you have a community, I would like to invite you to come join us, test this out. Just pay $1 and see. We're going to support you. We're going to promote your community, collaborate. That's the intention. I've recorded so many videos on here. I also shared stories. I've been recording stories. I'll see a link at the end. It'll take you to the series where I've been talking to other community owners in long conversations. But this was just introduction. I did just an impromptu Zoom. I said, come talk about your communities. So they did. If you are watching this and you are in my community, you are in this community, and you didn't come, the males didn't show up. I got more females. Please add your community on the other comment below. If you're watching this on YouTube, just add a regular comment, what you think, or a question. But if you're watching this in school, because the same video is going to be in school, then, and you own a community, add your community too, so people can see it, so people can support you. If they're interested in joining, they can join you. It's about supporting each other. Okay, so for now, let's watch the video. And then after that, I'll come just to remind you how to get involved too. I'll remind you, especially if it's a premiere, people come late and they don't hear the beginning. So I'll repeat something after you watch this. So watch the conversation we had when the members were introducing their communities. And then maybe it will give you an idea, oh, I could do that too. Remember, the passion or a skill you have or a challenge. Out of those 3, we create inside there 9 categories. So just come inside. I'll share all these. I'll give you a free Zoom to explain how this whole thing works. Okay? Okay, thank you. Let's watch it. Hello, so here we are. We are going to do intros. We are introducing our communities. For those of you who are going to watch it later and you missed this one, please go in the comments and introduce your community like this: your name, your country, your community, what's the community name, the community link, what the community is about, and who you want in your community. This is very, very important because you see me that soon I'm going to be promoting this community for you, cross-promoting. So be very clear that the people you are inviting are the people you want, especially male, female, what age, like that, okay? So let's go. Let's start with Coach Asmini. Please go.
Yes.
Let's try. Let's see if you can cover all of it. If you don't, I'll
Okay.
remind you.
Okay. Thank you. Hi, my name is Asamini Kasule. I'm a certified parenting coach and I'm based out of Maryland. I was born in Uganda, so I'm first generation Ugandan American. And I'm a published author as well. And my group is called Lead with Love Parenting Teens. So it's really for mothers of teenagers and also young adults because I'm finding a lot of the issues are similar. And it's a safe space for mothers to connect with each other, learn about how to foster and nurture connection with their teenagers or young adults with love, with patience, and with care. And I love being on Skool. Thank you for having me.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so that Tanya, please.
Hello, my name is Tanya Stoney. I'm from South Carolina, USA. The name of my community is called Scale Without Noise, and it's for women that are 40 and above, age 40 and above. And it's really for just women, a safe space for them to come together and just get things done in their business, because a lot of times we feel like we're scattered all over the place. So I just wanted to provide a space where we can come in for an hour. We can call it Sip and Focus Hour. And you just come in for an hour, focus time, intentional focus time, just to get what you need to get done to move the needle either in your business or in your home life.
And you didn't mention the AI.
AI, yes, that's coming as well. Optional if you want to learn more about AI, is beginner friendly tips and tricks that I also teach.
How about me, who's only 30 years?
You can come too. You can
Okay,
come.
okay. Okay, so now let's go to Miss Patience. How about you?
My name is Patience, and I say your Patience. I'm originally from Ghana. I'm in Greek Cyprus. I have my community names. Have your reason to smile, and I'm inviting people and family those think that they have lost their happiness or their hope, their faith. I'm inviting those people to tell them that as long as you are alive, hope is still in you, faith is still in you. Just look at one reason, just a small things in your life and smile that still there's a hope in your life. So yeah, that's my community name.
And okay, and who do you want to come? Who is invited? Who would love to have?
That's what I said. I said I don't. There's no limit. It's just for family, men and the women. I mean, mostly mothers, because it's a family that's going through. When you come to have your reason to smile, there are many people that lost their loved ones. They lost their pain, their happiness, their joys. Can be a man, can be a woman, can be couples. So yeah, just not for kids.
Okay, that's good. So,
Yeah.
Miss, and you hear me talk about you all the time. I'll be talking about you, reintroducing your communities. Sister Adama, please.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, I'm Adama. I live in Texas, originally from Cameroon. My platform is the Marriage Builder Safe Place. The Marriage Builder Safe Place is just a place, a supportive place for both. I first consider women, but it's open to everybody, because when we talk about marriage, actually, it involves two people that comes together to build. So it's a safe place where people can come out up to pour what they are going through, because we need support at times. So that criticism, of course, no judgment, and get support.
And discuss,
So
right?
yeah.
So anyone
It's
married is welcome.
It's welcome. Yeah, it's
What about
open.
the one who is not married yet? Considering to getting married?
Yes, because we need to understand what marriage is before we get into. So when we say marriage, even those who are preparing to get married, because if you don't understand it, you won't know how to navigate it when you get in there.
That's a good idea.
So I
But you know
think,
what
yeah.
I'm thinking as you're speaking there?
Yeah.
What about divorced people? Are divorced people welcome, or they're gonna mess it up?
Why not for those who are still interested? Because okay, divorce, it comes at actually it has different volumes. Like if you're divorced and you have kids, you need to heal, and healing at times you need to go back to see some of your mistakes and really understand what went through. I think it's open for everybody.
If we search for building marriages, remember, marriage builders, and then you bring a divorced person, I feel like they could mess up the message. What do you think? I'm asking the rest. What do you think?
It depends. It depends because it might not be mess. It depends because someone divorce might be interesting of getting into another marriage. So that person need to heal before, thinking of going into another marriage. So I think the divorced people can still, but it depends their condition.
Oh, no, but it depends on the messaging. Are you going to be discussing those topics? Because for those people who are watching us here, we're not experts, except some are experts, but some of us are not. Like Adama is not a coach. So if you come in and have all these issues from divorce and all that, are you sure you're discussing those things? I don't know.
Yes, we're going to touch everything.
Oh, you are?
Yes.
Okay, this is serious business then.
Because Sister Sherifa, when it comes to me, my sign name is a counselor. Okay, my great grandfather was not a specialist, but was born with it. And my house, when I went to Ghana, every single day I sought out a couples. I set up couples, marriages that are broken, family that are separated. I bring them back, but I'm not a coach, but it's a gift and in the family.
Sometimes a calling,
That's good. Then invite each other. Let's use this chance to invite each other. Now that you had that, maybe you belong to her community too. Who else who wants to invite the other before I close this off? Any interesting person you want to invite to your community from these introductions? Let me start with you, Coach Asmini. Who would you love to have in your community?
I think anyone who's a mother of teens or young adults.
Those two, Patience and Adama, they have teenagers.
Adama, yeah.
How about you, Sister Coach Tonya? Who would you love to have in your community?
Women who own their own business.
They have community. That's business.
Yes.
I'm learning AI over here. So for those of you who are going to watch this, please, the reason we have these communities, I think you can hear the messages, right? They're for us, they're for people. The person who created this school platform, that's what he wanted. He wanted people to come together, people who care about the same thing and can be cross. Like me, I belong to all your communities, right? The message can, so come support each other. And some of you who are watching this and you love to make money, come and promote these communities. So the message I have for you, those of you listening to me right now, or those of you who are going to watch it later, please try to make your communities pro-communities. You know what that means? It means you move it from $9 to $99. So it's easier for us to talk about it because people come to promote it and be paid to promote it. So look at it like it's a business. So as long as you know you can collect $100 in a month in your community, it's okay to upgrade it because people are going to love inviting other people. Because if we use the word business, it means spending some money, right? So look at it as the first 100 could be a loss. We call it a loss investment. But our job will be to make sure you have enough people to make $100. You can say this week we make sure Adama makes $100. This week we make Tonya makes $100. For me, I'm good at that. So we go bring people and make sure you don't make a loss. Make the first one, maybe it could be a loss, but not anymore. So that sounds good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
that way we can all cross promote, knowing that whenever I share this link, something will drop to my bank account. And you don't have to do anything else, just invite people. Okay, thank you so much. Those of you who missed it, Sile, all our brothers, you missed it, add your links, add your information the way you had everyone introduced. You're going to do it in the comments. And maybe we may upgrade this later, but that's what we had. It's going to be pinned on. I may even take it on YouTube if you want. You want me to take it to YouTube?
No problem.
Okay, then maybe on YouTube, it's also going to be on top here. Today is the official launch of the Share Your Story community. Please, please, for me, I have 40% commissions I pay. So if you invite anyone, but this one is not for everyone. It's for only people who have a school community or have a YouTube channel or both. That's it. Or only if someone is intending to have a school community. That way, we're going to have real value right here. All of you, when you feel like you want an assistant, let me know, because there are people who could be your assistants in your communities, like moderators, administrators. I'll be training some. I'll ask them to come here and watch how we do things. And then when they are ready, I say, go manage this one, help out that other person. Thank you so much. Okay. Remember to add your comments. All of you could come and also add your comments so that it's easier to get add the links on this when I post it, okay? Thank you so much. You could say bye-bye.
Thank you for calling. Bye-bye.
See, anyone could start a community. Anyone could start a community. They are just started. Later, me, I'll bring them back. But if you want to know the others who have done the other communities, also people who have one I interviewed who was talking about how to manage a community, what to be careful about, and those who may want to have a job in a community, you're gonna watch the one where I talked about tips for community managers and owners and administrators. You'll see. So most recent, next to this one, you'll see, all these tips. And again, if you want to start a community, if you own a community, just come and join us. We pay $1 a month, doesn't change to stay $1. At this point, as I'm recording this, it may change, but as I'm recording it, it's only $1 every month. Doesn't change. But if you are new, you don't have a community, they're going to ask you to register first to get to the school platform, right? So you have to enter your name and email, then they'll send a code for you to sign up to the platform. Please don't use any fake names, because if you want to be paid on this platform, you have to have at some point before they send you any money, they'll ask for your ID. So use your real names. Ladies, you saw here mostly, the other gentleman was just my assistant. Come inside you can connect to them in two ways. You could go to them directly, or you could just come to our community, my community, and you could belong to both their community and my community, which is Share Your Story. I think it will be better for you because you collaborate and be around us. It's more fun. Okay, thank you for watching this. Like I always end these, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Without health, you have nothing. Please check out the pinned comments, the description, check out the communities, and take yourself to a better you. Bye-bye.